Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Brown color, black color, red color, green color, yellow color, blue color. Kids, now we draw capital letter alphabets. Brown color. Now we draw A, the letter of A. Now we draw A for apple. The next one is B. We again use brown color. B for ball. The next one is C. C for cat. Now we draw C and the next one is D. Now we use black color. Black color. Now we draw D. D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. Now we draw E. Kids, the next one is numbers. Now we draw numbers. Black color. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E. 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O. Now we draw 3. The number of 3. The next one is 4. Now we use red color. Red color. Now we draw 4. The next one is 5. The number of 5. So kids, now we draw numbers and the next one is shapes. Red color. Now we draw circle. Now we draw the shape of circle. And the next one is triangle. Now we draw triangle. Kids, now we draw triangle. And the next one is heart. Now we draw heart. Yellow color. Now we draw the shape of heart and the next one is star. The shape of star. The next one is square. Now we draw square. We again use yellow color. The shape of square. So kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.